Hey guys, I'm getting ready to plant my very favorite annual summer flowers, and that is zinnias. As long as you live somewhere that has fairly warm summers, you should be able to grow these. They grow really great in this cruddy looking soil that I have here. This is heavy clay with no problems whatsoever. I barely ever water them in the summertime. From the time that you plant them, it usually only takes a couple months for them to start blooming. You do have to wait to plant them outside until after your last frost date has passed. You can start them indoors early like I did here, or you can direct sow them. Here's what the seeds look like. Hopefully you can see them. They kind of look like tiny little arrowheads. And all I do to plant them is sprinkle them over the surface of the soil. I don't really pay much attention to how far apart they are or anything like that. In my garden, it is survival of the fittest with these seeds. I don't thin them out. Now I'm just sprinkling a little bit of this bagged soil I have over the surface of the soil, and you don't even need to do this. The first time I planted zinnia seeds, I literally threw them on the ground in my flower bed. And they came up. I didn't cover them, I didn't water them, nothing. These things want to sprout. Next thing I'm gonna do is just water the soil. And these should be up in, I'd say, a week, maybe sooner. I do try to get out here and make sure that the soil stays moist in this area until they sprout. These are the seeds I just planted. This one is fruit smoothie mix and this one is mazurkia. I am in no way an expert on growing zinnias, but I'm telling you guys, if you live somewhere with a warm summer, you can grow these. They are the easiest flowers to grow. They are so rewarding. The blooms are absolutely beautiful, and if you plant them in your vegetable garden, they attract a lot of really great pollinators. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.